你们好，我是白老师。我就觉得好像很久没有看到你们了，所以呢，就想录个视频跟你们聊聊就想录个视频跟你们聊聊天儿。我呢，上个星期教了3道菜，放到我的 channel 里面，放到我的频道里面。I taught 3 dishes of cooking Chinese cuisine, and if you have time, you can check it out. Also, Wesley 不要弄声音哈，谢谢。我现在在 make dumplings, so I just bought the wraps. 轻一点，谢谢。I bought the wraps in a Chinese grocery market. You know that when we had the Chinese snacks tasting class, you went to 轻一点. You went to the Chinese grocery store. In the freezers, you can find these wraps. These are like one pack of about like 50. 一包大概有50个左右 around also. Okay, I'm not sure how many do they have. And you just if you don't use them when you bought them, you can just put them in the freezer. And before you use them, you unfreeze them, right? 你要放就放到那个纸上面，这样就没有那么吵。然后呢，你可以看到这个是放到纸的上面去，放那边去，谢谢。这个是 pork， 中国人很喜欢吃 pork， 我倒是没有那么喜欢吃 pork， 但是没有关系，这个是 ground pork。And I put some of those green onions as the veggies, shredded. I shred those, okay? And you can you can use like cabbage, Napa cabbage, or what kind of broccoli? I don't think it's a good option. Potato, no. So put some green veggies, okay? Green leaf veggies. Those are good. And you shred them. Cut those into very, very small pieces.
Those are good.
Yeah, those are good. 爸爸回来啦. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, first of all, you saute, you season the pork, the ground pork. Okay, you like use salt and use sugar, white sugar, okay, and let's see, soy sauce. Chinese, we love soy sauce, and peppers, ground peppers, black peppers, right? And you can put, let's see, gingers, shred those, okay, small pieces, very, very tiny small pieces, gingers, green onions, garlics, shred those, and then put those into your ground ground pork, and add some cornstarch, or add an egg and some water, cooking wine, to stir them, mix them together, because the egg will put them to make it sticky, okay? And you just stir, use chopsticks or fork to stir it in one direction consistently, okay? 妈妈在录视频，先不要叫妈妈。英文说饼怎么说？饼叫 pancake， 不是叫 cake， 就叫 pancake。And you stir them until they are all together, like sticky. And you can use Napa cabbage or cabbage.
Not pancake.
But those you have to cut those or shred those, okay? Very small pieces, and then put them in the ground pork you already seasoned, and you can mix them together again. And you can add some more seasoning like salt What else? Oyster sauce, 蚝油. Okay. So let me repeat the seasoning for the ground pork. Salt, 盐. 还要放什么? What else? You want to put sugar. Okay, 糖, 白糖. What else? Soy sauce, 酱油. And pepper. 好，等一下，不要跟妈妈说话，好吗？先，那就放那儿就好了，谢谢。去找爸爸去吧，谢谢。然后呢 ，What else? Black pepper, white pepper, if you have. Cooking wine, 料酒. And some oil. What oil? Sesame oil is a good option. What else? Oyster sauce. Okay. And also you need to put garlic, green onion, and 葱姜蒜. Green onion, 姜, ginger. Those should be shredded into small pieces. 不要再叫妈妈了。你跟爸爸说，不要跟妈妈说。然后呢 ，What else? Oh, very important thing that the pork you want to buy like 80%. So it should be very lean, not 97 lean. Okay, those are not very delicious when it's in the fillings. You need to like buy the 80% lean. So a lot of fat inside. It will make it delicious, okay? And you put cornstarch and some of those eggs. 1 egg is enough. And stir fry. Stir. In one direction. 用一个方向，同一个方向，你要搅拌，让它们 put them together to sticky. When you're done with the seasoning, you try a little bit. And you think, okay, the seasoning is good. And then you put those veggies inside. Like I put green onions only, so I put them together. With the pork. But you always put the pork first, ground pork, and season the pork. And then you add the veggies. You can add green onions, 葱, or as the veggie, or cabbage. Napa cabbage, but those should be very tiny pieces. How many? It depends. I think Americans, 美国人喜欢肉. Americans like meat, so very little enough. Okay. You can also put some cilantro inside to make it tasty. Okay. And then you buy the wraps. You, like I said, 1 pack it has 50 something inside. Okay. Okay, my husband just sneakily tried to disturb me. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how do you wrap those. Okay, these are a technique. So you have seen me doing this now. Do you get the hint? First of all, you get, if you are the beginners, you don't want to put a lot, not like me, this much. This is too much for you because you won't wrap them, okay? So you put a little bit inside and you have water, just water to make it sticky on the edge, okay? You put a little water inside and then you first close the middle. And use your finger and squish this in. And how do you say that? Squish. Okay. Put it in and squish. You use your thumb and your 食指, which is index finger, and squish. So I squish those Do you see that? Okay. And then that's it. You put it on, this is what I made just now. Put it on a pan or something. You can put some flour on the plate so it won't get sticky over there. Okay, and this someone is like sticked. And then when you're done, you can do the boil water. Use a big pot, a lot of water, half of the pot like this deep, okay? I mean, water is this deep. The pot should be this tall, this high. Half of the water inside, make it boil, and you put these fresh made dumplings inside. When it's boiled, you put the dumplings inside, and then wait for it to you stir a little bit. Don't let it go down. Don't let it go down, then it will get sticky there and then it will be broken. So, and then when it's boiled again, the water is boiled again, you want to pour a little bit of water inside, and then it will, the cold water, and it will wait for it to boil again. Then I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. So let me get it. I put water here. Can you see it? Here. Okay. I'll put water here and I close them first. And I use my finger and squish. Put it inside and squish. Very hard. If you think it's not closed, use water again and try to, don't use glue, okay? 不要用胶水. All right, I'm gonna keep on doing that until I finish all of these fillings, 这些馅儿. The fillings we call it 馅儿, right? If I have too much, I will put these fresh into the refrigerator, into the freezer, and then maybe 10 minutes or I don't know, 30 minutes later, it will 30分钟以后, half an hour, 半个小时以后, it will be frozen. So, and then you take them out and put it in the freeze bag, and then you can store it and make it like wait for next time you want to cook them. But one thing that the frozen dumplings, when you cook it, you have to wait for the water to boil and put the dumplings and boil again, water again, and boiled, and water and boiled. You have to wait it for 3 times boiled, the water boiled with the dumplings, because those are frozen. These are fresh ones, so you don't have to wait the water to boil 3 times. You just pour 1 time the water, and I think that is fine because those are not frozen. Okay, so see here, I have it. You have to, because they're sticky, little by little, okay? Otherwise they will be broken. Can you see it? Little by little. Okay, 所以呢, how do you say pork? 猪肉. 肉 is meat, and 猪 is the pig. Okay, and these are wraps. We call it 皮肤, the wraps. I'm from north of China, so I will say 皮儿 with the Okay, I know southern people, they don't say that, they say 皮. And I put water, and then I close it, and I put water here, and then I push it inside and squeeze. I push this inside and squeeze, and 使劲儿 harder. All right, look, mine is not very perfect, but it's good. Okay. So maybe you can try one time. I always want to have a dumpling making class. Or tasting dumpling making activities in classrooms. I've already talked about this with you guys, some of you guys in my classes. but we always cannot do that because we don't have the place that we can cook. We don't have the stove, so it won't be easy for me to complete my wish. But now it's online, so you can see how I made it and you can try it. And maybe you make a video or take pictures and show me how you made with your 爸爸妈妈 or 你的兄弟姐妹 your siblings. You can just use ground pork, a little bit green onions to make it a little bit healthy, all right? Or you can put shrimp inside, okay? But remember, you have to make them stir the meat with the seasoning together first to make it sticky and then tasty. You have to taste when you pour those like soy sauce and oyster sauce and salt and pepper and garlic and ginger and green onions and egg and sugar. Okay, squeeze. I think I'm done with these. I'm gonna put these inside my freezer, so they're gonna be frozen, and then I can save it for next time when our kids want to eat them. OK， 我们来数一数多少个？1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31个，30个呢？一个人啊，太少了吧？30个，我们家有4口人，如果一个人吃10个的话，需要40个，对吗？我家有4口人 ，so I need 9 more. I'm gonna wait for I finish my goal. Okay, I'm gonna put the fillings inside again. 把这个馅儿放到皮儿上，放到中间 ，put it in the center, and I use my water to squeeze it, and close it. Okay, it's a little bit dry now because I've been working on this in 30 minutes. So the wrap, when it comes out with that flour, it probably will be dry a little bit. Okay, and how many do I need? 我还需要多少个啊？ Let's see, 8个。Never mind, I won't let you to waste your time to watch me doing this unless you want to watch me talking with you, right? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put these inside the freezer and I will see you guys soon. Hope you like it.